Girls School. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today I am going to discuss the topic derivation of force. Derivation of force. It is how would you prove that formula F is equal to ma. According to Newton's second law of motion, statement the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied force and takes place in the direction of force. So this is the statement of Newton's second law of motion. And how would you prove that formula of force? By using the Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum which is directly proportional to the applied force. Suppose a body is placed on a horizontal surface whose mass is m and it is moving with initial velocity u. When we apply the force F, then its final velocity becomes v. So after applying the force on the object for the time t, its final velocity becomes v. Then initial momentum of the body is equal to here mass of the body is m and its initial velocity is u, and we know that momentum is equal to product of mass and velocity, so mu. Similarly, final momentum of the body is equal to mv. So change in momentum of the body. So change in momentum of a body is equal to final momentum minus initial momentum. So here mv minus mu. And rate of change of momentum of the body is equal to, that is mv minus mu by t. Now according to Newton's second law of motion, force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. So your rate of change of momentum is mv minus mu by t. So mv minus mu by t, and which is equal to F is equal to k mv minus mu by t. And here we take the comma is equal to k, m is common, so v minus u by t. which is equal to km, and we know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. So a, so F is equal to kma. Suppose it is equation 1. In SI unit, suppose F is equal to 1 Newton, that is force is equal to 1 Newton, mass m is equal to 1 kg, and acceleration a is equal to 1 meter per second square. Then one is equal to k into 1 into 1, which is equal to k is equal to 1. So equation 1 becomes, if you put the value of k in equation 1, so F is equal to ma. Prove. So F is equal to ma, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration. So force can also be defined as the product of mass and acceleration. Now what is the SI unit of force? SI unit, so F is equal to, mass is measured in kg and acceleration is measured in meter per second square. So SI unit of force is kg meter per second square, and 1 kg 1 meter per second square is also known as Newton. 1 Newton is that force when it produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of mass 1 kg. So SI unit of force is Newton, and CGS unit of force is dyne, and force is a vector quantity. Thank you.